welcome you all. How you all are doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all are doing okay. Yeah, man. Today I'm going to do some roast fish. And this fish here is snapper, red snapper. Look at that. You see how them big? Roast, we're gonna roast them boy here, guys. Them boy here are gonna get roast. So I have some blended season here. I blend up scallion, onion, pimento, pepper, garlic. As you can see, that's my blending season. Ginger, you name it, the earth season them. Because you know you have to have your blended season for you put on your fish in the fish belly and in the core. And this is fish season with salt. That's what I'm using. And garlic salt. So this is what I have over here to use. And I have some, that's callaloo, okra, and pumpkin I'm going to stuff in the fish belly. But you can go ahead and stuff it with whatever vegetable you like or whatever vegetable you choose. But this is what I'm going to stuff it with. So you see the size of the fish them, guys? Oh my God. Look at this fish. It's a monster. Big boy. And big man. One of this full your belly. Now I want nothing more with this. Alright, and make sure you have your file paper to wrap your fish in. Yeah? File paper to wrap your fish in. So I'm gonna go ahead now and season up my fish. First of all, I am going to use this bunty here, hand towel, to dry my fish. I'm going to dry them before I season them. I don't want any water on them. So I'm going to dry them. Then I'm going to go ahead and season them. So I'm going to go ahead and season my fish now. So I'm rubbing in the season where I core. So this is what I'm going to do to each and every one of them. Put some season where I core the fish. Then I'm going to put some in the belly of the fish. Then this is the blended season now. I'm going to put a little in the belly. You put some, just a little, where you core it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my callaloo. I'm gonna stuff my fish with my callaloo and my pumpkin. I'm gonna put this stuffing in the belly. The okra, you see the slime already? Okra, pumpkin, and callaloo. So this is not fully cooked, guys. I just run the steam over it. Run the steam over the pot a little because I don't want it to half cook and I don't want it to fully cook. I'm gonna stuff my fish real good. Yeah. Then I'm going to put it in the file paper. Alright. Yes, guys, so this fish has been seasoned. I'm gonna put it on the grill now. So I'm putting a little piece of butter on it. Roast fish. Yup, that's how we do it down here down a yard In my little kitchen, I am out on the outside. I'm on the outside getting some cool breeze. Yeah. Roasting some fish. Checking on my roast fish. So I'm gonna turn them over now. That's how you do it when you're roasting fish. You have to turn the fish. Checking on my roast fish. I'm about to take this off now. 20 minutes it takes to roast it. Yes guys, 20 minutes. Not a long time, eh? Roast fish stuffed with callaloo, okra, and pumpkin. See how that boy are big, guys? Big boy this. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell because you don't want to miss nothing that is going on down a yard, yeah, in a Polly's kitchen. Yes, guys, the boy are big, ready for eat.